Hey, I'm Kyle from Wheaton TV with another quick tip. Sooner or later, your key remote battery is going to die and need to be replaced, which can be kind of annoying if you don't know how. So let's quickly go over how to switch out the battery in your Chevrolet key remote. The remote may differ slightly depending on the model you have, but the process is essentially the same. For this, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and the appropriate replacement battery. Brand doesn't matter, but make sure you have the right size. Most newer Chevy remotes use a 2032. There is a diagram under the battery if you're unsure. The first step is to remove the physical key by pushing this button and pulling it out. Next, use the key to open up the remote to get access to the battery. I've found the easiest way is to put the key back in a little bit and then pry it open to pull the two sides apart. Remove the dead battery using the screwdriver. Now put in the new battery with the positive side down. Then just simply close the remote back up and snap the two sides together, slide the key back in, and you're good to go. If you don't have push-button start or own an older model, the process is even simpler. For the older style, just push the button to pop the key out, pull the back off, and replace the battery. For the newer one, you'll still need the screwdriver. Place the end in the little slot, then pry off the back. Take out the old battery, put in the new one, and close it back up. I hope you found this helpful. For more tutorials, make sure to check out our other quick tips.